Hello everyone, this is Komal and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are looking for interesting, unique and beautiful career option, then this video really beneficial for you because throughout the video we will bring you some exciting, beautiful career options. As you all are aware about the traditional career options like engineering and medical science, there is less popular course but very innovative and emerging course that is cosmetic technology will be the great career option for you. Well, the cosmetic technology is the course where cosmetologists can formulate the product, manufacture the product, do research and development, quality analysis and marketing. Nowadays, cosmetic industry gaining wide attention as per given in the Economics Time on 21st November 2020 said that India is booming industry for personal and beauty care sector that houses leading brands such as Dabur and Godrej to startups such as Mamaearth and Wow Skin Science. The Indian beauty and personal care market is expected to grow at CAGR of 12% from 2020 to 2030. So this is the correct time to choose cosmetic technology as the career option. Now the important question is that how to become a cosmetologist or cosmetic technologist in India. Guys, there is a bachelor and master degree in cosmetic technology. This course can do by both boys and girls. Bachelor of Cosmetic Technology degree course is the undergraduate cosmetology course. The course will give you training on various cosmetic formulation from skincare to color cosmetic to cleansing product, techniques required for manufacturing, quality maintenance or control, and some aspect of beauty culture and marketing. This course start with basic skin, hair and nail anatomy to the advanced formulation and its marketing. Now we'll talk about the eligibility criteria and duration of this course. In case of BTech Part 1, candidate has passed 10+2 standard examination from recognized educational board with physics, chemistry, biology or maths and English with minimum 45% marks in subject mentioned above taken together at one sitting. The duration of course is of 4 years with semester pattern, 2 semesters in 1 year. The next is institute. Institute play an important role. So I already listed here some popular UGC approved institute which offer this course. And now last but very important one, that is future aspect or what we'll be doing after this course. So guys, you can be a R&D chemist in industry, you can be a sales manager, you can be a production manager, you can be a cosmetic developer, you can be a quality analyst. Other than that, you can be a beauty consultant, aesthetic technician and lecturer and teacher, or you can go for further education such as MTech and PhD. Hope so this video will be beneficial for you guys. For such more information related with cosmetic technology field, please share, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.